Today we're showing you a New Holland TD5050 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive cab tractor with a New Holland 830 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor has approximately 2,300 hours on it. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations. We took this tractor in on trade from a rancher out in Idaho. The tractor does run and work as it should with no known mechanical issues. Again, the 830 TL loader goes with it. Has a skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Some of the plastic has got a little damage up here on the loader. Front of the hood also has a little bit of paint off it. Looks like it had a little bit of a bump there. Work lights on the cab. Got the two doors, mirrors on both sides. It does look like the tires were studded or have been studded at some point. It's all the way around it. Currently obviously do not have studs in them, but looks like they were studded at some point. Tires do have good life in them yet. They've got good tread on them. It does have a little bit of paint coming off the fender here as well. If you're looking for a hay tractor or a tractor to put out bales, anything like that, this will make a nice tractor for you. Again, it is prior to the Tier 4 emission regulations. It does have the 540 and 1000 PTO capability. Simply pull that snap ring and put the other shaft in. I don't believe we have the 1000 shaft, but that would obviously be available for purchase through New Holland. It does have dual remotes back here. Again, work lights on the back of the cab here as well. Certainly not a new tractor, but it's not a bad older tractor. Again, starts, runs, and works well with no known issues on the unit. Mechanical shuttle here on the left of the seat. 12-speed transmission over there to the right. Loader control. Looks like the cap's missing on the loader control there. 3-point hydraulic controls to the right of the seat. It does have a cracked windshield. That was that way before the tractor got here. He told us that has been that way for quite a while. Never had an issue with it. But just know that the windshield here does have a crack in it. PTO engagement, park brake here to the left of the seat. Clutch and brake and foot throttle all down below. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you do have a trade-in, just text or email us some pictures. We'll be happy to get you a quote. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us.